Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys 4 really fun acrylic painting methods using different things and can also add up to fun activities you can do at home. For more creative and awesome videos, please subscribe as well give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. For our first DIY painting method, we're going to start off by taking one Ziploc bag, a white sheet of paper, one paint, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing we're going to be doing is taking one paint, or you can do multiple paint of your choice. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of paint in the corner of the Ziploc bag, and from this you can choose from pouring a little bit or a big amount of paint. So when you are done pouring the paint into the Ziploc bag, you're going to take a pair of scissors and cut the tip of the Ziploc bag so you can get paint from that little part. So from this, when you are done cutting the tip of the Ziploc bag, now you can enjoy painting with your Ziploc bag as a cake decorator. And you can sketch or do anything you want from this, so you can write or draw. And from this you can also do numerous amount of different paint. So you'll have to take a lot of Ziploc bags and add different paint if you want to do something new and something creative that you want to do and put it as a DIY room decor. For our second DIY we're going to be doing today, is going to be related to the Ziploc bag that we've just had before. So from this we are going to be pouring different amounts of paint. So you will have numerous amount of paint if you have some at home. So from this I'm taking a baby blue color. I'm gonna take the pink one that I just had, and from this I am just like smoothing it out and flattening out. So you will have to use your hands to smooth the paint up, and from this you are just like creating an ombre and like a combination of color from this, and this will really be something like a stress thing or something, but it's really cute and you can use it as a room decor, or you can do anything you want, or you can even add a lot of paint into it and you can do the same thing that we originally did, just drawing or writing anything you want. For our third DIY, you're going to take paint. Obviously everything for this video is going to be related with paint, so we will have to take paint, at least 4 or 5 depending on the amount you want to put in. So from this you will get a debit card or any card that you have, and from this you're going to be the same thing, like flattening out with the card as you are seeing in this video. And as this, it is just like a relaxing and like an activity that you can do at home, and you can just be creative with it. So you can create a lot of colors with it, or you can do the rainbow colors or anything like that. And from this you can use your finger if you did the whole thing that you wanted to. And for our last DIY, we're going to take at least 4 or 5 different paint and take a popsicle stick, and from this you're going to be starting on the starting point of the paint and start like doing squiggly lines with the popsicle sticks, like you're doing some squiggly lines or zigzag lines or anything like we're doing. And when you are done like doing all the squiggly lines with the popsicle stick and doing like the things that we can do with the popsicle stick, you can even add more paint to it if you want to be more creative. So from this I'm getting a little sponsor, or you can even call it like a little sponge brush. So from this for this particular activity you are going to be brushing it off with the sponsor or the brush. And as you are painting, make sure to go through every single stroke to get a cute DIY painting. And also I recommend to get colors that match the whole like art project to get a cute DIY from this. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye!